Do you know that if you mix palm oil and turmeric together, you're not only creating for yourself a natural glow combo, but you're also going to end up with a very great concoction that helps to tackle dark under eye circle as well as sunburn. I've used this concoction for like 2 weeks now, and this is the result. This product has greatly helped me. Like, this combination and a host of other things I have here that I'll be introducing to you guys shortly have really helped me with my dark under eye circle as well as sunburn, also giving me a radiant glow, like a natural skin glow without having to do too much or spend too much. So all you need is your palm oil, turmeric, honey, as well as aloe vera buds. I'm going to be telling you how and when that is supposed to come in. So without further ado, let's delve straight into the video. For your dark under eye circle, you'll be needing a scoop of turmeric and palm oil. You want to mix this together to have like a very beautiful consistency, not too runny and not too thick. First day I did this, which you can see it was slightly too runny, so at some point it started dripping into my eyes, and it wasn't funny at all. So you don't want that, okay? Because you're going to also be applying it on your eyelid. Sometimes I find that not really necessary, but other times I just want to do it because I want to have an even complexion. I also apply the concoction at the areas where I have traces of sunburn because I also want to lighten that area up. Guys, please pardon my grumpy voice. I recorded this video around December and I've been so busy, couldn't post it. I'm only getting to post this video in January. That's why my voice is very grumpy. Okay, I'm very sorry. I applied the leftover concoction on my niece's face because she also had like traces of sun because of school. Now it is time to mix my honey and turmeric. Of course, this is just for my face, to mask my face. I'm going to be telling you the importance of these different ingredients later. Now I did this for a couple of days. You guys can see like different clips. I did this like in different occasions and running into weeks. Do you understand? Mainly you're supposed to be doing this like 3 times a week, but I did this in different occasions so you guys can actually understand that it is something I have done time and time again. After doing this, I go in with my face mask or face shade to maintain hydration and all. For lots of you who would be frowning and saying, oh, this will not work or it takes time to work. First of all, do you know the importance of palm oil on the face? You guys have already seen me applying this product on my face, so it's not like I just come on here to talk about things that I don't know of. Before now, I always use turmeric and honey on my face, but I started incorporating palm oil, and since I started incorporating palm oil, I have seen like really good changes on my face. Now, do you know that palm oil is rich in antioxidants? It contains vitamin A and E, which protect the skin, support healing, and improve the skin texture. Number 2 is that it greatly moisturizes the skin. Yes, palm oil is an excellent emollient, great for dry skin and repairing the skin barrier. Number 3 benefit is that it slowly helps to fade dark spots because of its vitamin A content, and it also help mildly even out the skin complexion or skin tone over time. The fourth benefit is that it also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help calm irritation and reduce redness. So you can see that palm oil is not just limited to cooking. It can also be applied on the face. Do you know that turmeric has brightening effect? Yes, turmeric contains what is called curcumin, which helps fade dark spots, even out the skin tone, and also correct blemishes. Also a great anti-inflammatory agent that is great for acne prone skin and also reduces swelling of acne. It reduces swelling, redness, and breakout. Jeez, I won't believe what happened. As I was filming this video, the turmeric spilled. You can see my hands. It's peeled. Anyways, I digress. Let's continue. Turmeric also has antibacterial benefits, which helps to control acne causing bacteria. You guys don't even look at my hand because I'm so pissed, but we're going to film this video regardless. The last but not the least benefit that this product or ingredient contain is an antioxidant property. Yes, it contains antioxidant property and it helps fight premature signs of aging. Also helps to improve the skin glow, which is what brings about the topic for the day, which enables our under eye to, you know, kind of pop up, glow up, and reduces the under eye circle. This is the benefits of mixing both turmeric and palm oil together. Number 1 is that supports skin healing really well, especially for irritated skin. Number 2 is that reduces acne inflammation, helps with dark spots, keeps skin highly moisturized and brightened. Lastly, it enhances skin glow. So it is a very great combo for those with dry, sensitive, and very dull skin. If your skin is really dull, you want to pop it up, maybe in within 7 days. You want something that would enhance your skin glow, brighten your skin, take care of dark spot and also clearing your dark under eye circle whilst taking care of sunburn. This is the combination, or this is the combo for you particularly. If you combine honey and turmeric together, you're going to have a face mask and also a facial scrub. Of course, now you already know the importance of turmeric, and we all know the importance of honey on the skin. Is no longer news that honey is very, very good for the skin. It helps to smoothen out the skin. It also helps with premature signs of aging. It helps with a whole lot of things. So if you mix them together, just like you see me mix on the video I shared with you guys, like what I do every morning is that I use turmeric and palm oil on my, like, around my under eye circle and down to my ear region, and then I go on ahead to mix my turmeric and honey and apply it all over my face. Usually it is advisable to leave this product for 10 to 15 minutes, but I can carry it for an hour if I have the time to, right? So you can as well just do that. One thing I want you guys to know, the down part of that about this combination, is that it is not good for those with acne prone skin. One down part about palm oil is that it might clog your pores, which is why it is not advisable for those with acne prone skin. It is advisable to use slightly or particularly, avoid it totally, so you don't furthermore clog your pores. Now, like I said, it's advisable to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, but you can go on ahead and leave it for as long as you want to, so long as it's not reacting badly on your skin. One thing again I noticed is that this is, apart from being very, very messy, you guys, it is very messy. You guys already know that, right? One thing I noticed is that if you apply the palm oil and turmeric under your eye region, if you're not careful, it's going to drip into your eye. So you want to apply it one inch away from your eye. Does that make sense? You don't need to apply it up there on your eyelid. No, the first day I did it, that was how I applied it. You guys already saw, right? You saw it. So it is a wrong one to do, because you might not leave it as long as you may want to leave it, because it will keep entering your eyes. After rinsing all of this up, okay, after when I'm ready to wash my face, this is what I use. This is the face fat ceramide gentle cleanse. It has 5 ceramide, hyaluronic acid and oats. It is very, very, very mild and gentle. You don't want to furthermore go in with like a very harsh cleanser, or let's say like some people who want to go and start using asante papaya and kojic san and all of that. Please, you don't want to use that. It's either you use this or any gentle foaming cleanser, like a barrier repair foaming cleanser, that would furthermore enable your other products to work, or the concoction you have just applied on your face to work really, really well. And it's going to deeply cleanse your face, because of course turmeric leaves a lot of stain on the face, so especially for light skin. So you want to look out for a gentle foaming cleanser that will deeply cleanse your skin really, really well. Now, after I do that, what I go in with next, that is not here, is my vitamin C face cream. I'm out of that yet, but I was using the Sterling vitamin C and turmeric face serum. That face serum is very nice. Now you can use any vitamin C serum of choice and go in with it after washing your face with your foaming cleanser. Now, if you don't have these, and you are on a really, really tight budget, please, I will advise you go in with like Dove bar soap, or any mild bar soap of choice, like any mild complexion bar soap that is not harsh on the skin, that do not contain any like serious lightening ingredients, because that is furthermore going to irritate your skin, and that is not what you want, right? Something I omitted was my mask. See, I don't joke with face sheets. If you have not started using face sheet, please go and start using one. So after washing your face with your gentle cleanser or your bar soap, or whatever it is you choose to wash your face with, make sure that your face is clean. Particularly, make sure your face is clean. Leave your face damp and go in with your face sheet. Now I have this vitamin C face mask. It is very good. I also have the this is retinol face mask. You can use it only at night, but the vitamin C one can be used during the day. I also have the niacinamide one. I already used that this morning, and yeah, I don't have it right now again. Now for your dark under eye circle, you want to furthermore go with this eye mask to furthermore hydrate and moisturize that place, helping it to brighten up. This is the vitamin C one. I think it also has pineapple extract. Now this is the aloe vera one. So you apply your face mask and eye mask just after you've washed off your face, and then leave this for 10 to 15 minutes, or as long as you want to leave it. If you don't have a very busy day, right, leave that for as long as you want to leave it. Let it just sit on your face and moisturize, and then slightly massage it into your face. That way is going to help your face look more relaxed or relax even more. Does that make sense? So after that, to go in with a serum, like I said, the vitamin C serum is also very good. Like any vitamin C serum of choice or niacinamide serum, depending on what you're trying to clear. If you have dark spots, niacinamide or vitamin C serum is a good way to go. This is the face fat ceramide moisturizing gel. I love the finishing that this gives. This really moisturizes the face. It has hyaluronic acid and 5 ceramide. I already got this before I went ahead to buy this, and now notice that they are both the same and they are really effective. Like I like the feel that this gives. It moisturizes your face all day long. Like it sits pretty on your face even when you don't even apply it. On days when you don't apply it, it makes your face really moisturized. So yeah, that is what this is basically meant for. It doesn't brighten, it doesn't lighten the face. What it does is that it just hydrates and moisturize your face pretty well, helping to get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles. Now this is selling for 7,000, and I also this is also 7,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Prices varies, best believe, and don't take my word for it, because sometimes you go and buy, you maybe after now you might even come here and I will tell you it's 9,000 naira, because prices for skincare products skyrocket because of the high in demand. Now, if you don't have money for that, this is quite affordable. This is selling for 4,000, 5,000, depending on where you're getting it from. This is the aloe vera gel. You can just use this to moisturize your face, and it's also going to really help. Like it's going to hydrate and moisturize your face effectively. Nighttime, I go in with my retinol serum. This is from Face Fact. Okay, this targets fine lines and uneven skin tone, and it's also very good, especially for people who are like in their early 30s or late 20s. It is very good to start incorporating retinol serums in your skincare routine. And at night time, you want to go in with your retinol face mask. Now, it is advisable to do this routine or this concoction for like 3 times a week, but sometimes I kid you not, I do it like straight 5 times a week, morning and night, because I want that quick result. Now, if you want to also do that, if you have all the time in your hands, you can also do that, or better still, stick to the 3 time usage, only at night, especially when you know that you're really stressed during the day. Okay, so yes, now for the honey I use, this is from Mahani. I don't know. This is the brand of honey that I use. I'm very bad at pronunciation. So this is an organic honey. So you want to go in with a very good organic honey, like a very good honey. Okay. So this has been with me for the longest time. I've had this for like more than a year, and it's still here. It's also very important that you go in with your sunscreens are very important. Don't rule out your sunscreen for any reason. Don't tell me you forget or you just, please, your sunscreens. Now, for those who would want to ask, if I apply this concussion or if I use this concussion, do I still need a facial scrub? No, you don't need a facial scrub, because don't forget that turmeric is grainy, so it's going to help exfoliate your face effectively. So it is just okay. Now it's going to see, you guys can see that you know, like you can see I had really dark under eye circle and like traces of sunburn, but I've used this concussion for like 2 weeks now, and this is the result. So you can see that it is very effective, and it's also going to help you. This is basically a natural home remedy that you can just do at the comfort of your home without having to spend too much. All you just need is, if you have a moisturizer, a serum, and the necessary things to keep your face hydrated and well moisturized after the concussion or after, you know, the procedure. That is basically that. You don't need to do too much. I hope you find this video really helpful, and I hope you're going to try this out. If you have not started already,